Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on? Axie Infinity price will also starting increasing, my opinion. Definitely, when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting investing, then absolutely the price is increasing now. As you can see, my friend, Axie Infinity were very badly fails down in previous, my friends, all day. You can say this is just 24-hour result, but in last 3 days, if you can see, my friends, the price is also fails down. But from last 12 hour, my friends, Shiba Inu will get 30% profit. Dogecoin will get 10% profit. My friends, a lot of coins, my friend, will get a very huge profit, and Axie Infinity just can only get 0.77%. So I think it's also very good now, because my brother, Axie Infinity were very badly fails down. So therefore, suddenly after a very bad term, they will starting pumping up. So I think this is also very good, my friends, from Axie Infinity to you or be safe from the lost, and they will starting moving upward. I hope, my friends, to Axie Infinity will give you a very huge profit. So don't worry, my friends, if they will give you a profit, so you will need, my friends, to hold. And if you will starting holding, so I hope, my friends, to at the end of month they will easily give you a very huge profit. So thanks for watching, Axie Infinity holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. All right, so Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you next time, and subscribe our YouTube channel.